What is this mess all over the place?
We have a very messy craft room.
Our second craft room.
Yeah, and we call it the laser room because we have the laser box, and we also 3D print in here. So there's a lot of fumes, and we originally had this set up where this exhaust thing, this pump kind of pumps the fumes out of the back of the laser box.
Sucks them out and pumps them out the window.
Yeah, sucks it out and pumps it out the window. And now instead of going out the window, I have it kind of thermal taped to this hose.
The VEVOR.
Yeah.
I can't see the stickers anymore.
No, you can't.
Aww.
So, this is a fume extractor that is just a giant vacuum, basically, and we're about to find out if that works better. Our neighbors were kind of noticing the smell.
Did you just run a marathon?
I just came out of the shower, and sometimes I'm out of breath after that.
Old man.
So yeah, well, usually this starts to like fog up, and then it sucks it out. But on the way, somehow it a little bit gets out. So one of these is hooked up to here, and one of these is just sucking out from the front.
I want to try the hardest, the strongest sucking.
Oh, yeah. I was going to Siri.
Yeah?
My watch is dead.
Talk to my Siri?
Turn on the... No, what is it? Turn on laser time.
Coming right up.
So, when I say that, I have a smart plug that the AC turns on. We also have an air conditioner that sucks the air from the room and puts it out. So, that's additional help.
Did it turn on?
It doesn't turn this one on, so you do have to manually press it.
The most...
There are 3 different settings, green, red, and blue, and this is the, yeah, I can feel it just put in my hand here, so it's pretty cool.
Cool. Let me try.
Let's see.
I might have to adjust this because I thought I was gonna... I'm making some extra octopuses, okay, for the fair.
Okay. I'm not doing any of those things like this.
Huh?
I told you it was going to be too late for me to actually make those orders.
Okay. Not gonna do the balloons today. I don't know why it's too late for you to do stuff, but... So... I will do a whole bunch. This is 19 minutes.
So you won't be getting the stuff.
One of them is...
Let's see. So right now it's sucking out from there, so I'm curious.
I'm looking at the smoke. I don't smell it yet.
I can smell it from up here, but yeah.
Wait, did we turn that on?
No. It's just putting it into there and not,
I smell it.
Now I smell it, but that wasn't on. Now it should be taking this, sucking it out through here and putting it
This really should have been above it. I'm not really sure why you put it below.
Ow. It doesn't seem to.
Yes, it is. Like over these holes. This is where it comes out of. We can extend it.
Theoretically, just because it smells, it might be still pulling all the particles that are damaging into the filter, but it might be that we can just smell it because it smells.
And the internet says that this is completely safe to inhale, but we'll see. But this way our neighbors don't smell it. And we do have masks to wear.
I don't like it though, so let's get out of here. So yeah, we're doing what we can. We'll see how it works. It's not getting all smoky in here at least, so it's kind of working, I guess. We'll have to just see if it's any better. Anyway, subscribe for more tips on how to do crazy stuff like this. Aloha. This is Olena, and I'm Isaac.
We're moving to Hawaii!
But first,
we're driving from New York City to Seattle
with Smiley, our 9-year-old rescue pitty,
in our Tesla Model 3, equipped for camping.
And we are funding this trip with our Etsy store.
Meaning we are bringing around 50,000 earrings.
And 500 envelopes.
And our label printer.
On this 11-day cross-country road trip.
Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today! If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!